subscribe and like my channel.
Hi everyone, my name is Nur Aini Fakihah binti Ahmad Firdaus. I am from Seoul Utare. Today, I would like to tell you a story about apple. Apple is the favorite fruit of many people. It comes in two colors, red and green. Red is the ripe one, generally sweet. Green is the raw one, generally sour. Apples are produced during the winter's days and start coming in winters, which makes them available throughout the year. Apples are produced in hilly areas. Apples are available in all the seasons and are eaten every day. They are also available in all the sizes, from small to large. Many people prefer to eat apples as their breakfast because of its high nutrition. Value like calcium, mineral, and vitamin A, B, C. Apple has a good source of fiber and is completely fat-free. The advantage of having an apple as morning fruit is that it keeps you slim and trim. The nutrients that are present in apple helps to resist the body from infection, reduce excess fat from the body, and also strengthen bones. Apple also reduces stress and provides us energy. Delicious dishes from apple are juice, pie, pudding, and cake. Apple tastes so juicy, from sour to sweet. It tastes delicious even if it is eaten raw, baked, or cooked. It ripens fast, and that is why we should eat it fast because it is too yummy. The one who would love to eat apple has a very smart personality, like his skin and face glow. He is slim and fit. Last but not the least, I would say that an apple a day keeps the doctor away.